In this video, I'll show you how to set up your labour rates in the price book to reflect the prices you pay. Before you create an estimate, it's crucial that you review and edit the labour rates in your software. To open the price book from the dashboard, click on the arrow next to the library on the navigator on the left. This expands the library options. The library is where you can fine-tune the underlying settings which are used to create your estimates. From here, you can edit your price book, set your overheads, profit and inflation, edit the specifications, and so on. Click on Price Books on the navigator. This opens the list of price books. A price book contains all of the rates for materials, labour, plant, subcontract and sundry resources used in the software. While it's possible to create additional price books by copying the master price book, in most circumstances we recommend that you stick with the one price book, the master price book, and edit the prices in there to match your costs. Open up the master price book by clicking the adjacent Open button. Click Labour to open the Labour section of the price book. This is the Labour section of the price book. On the left of the screen, you'll see a description of all the different labourers and gangs within the software. The purchase price column shows their rates. In EstimatorXpress, all labour costs are based on hourly rates. If you pay people by the day, divide their day rate by 8 to give an hourly rate. So, for example, £160 a day becomes £20 an hour. If you have multi-trade people, you would set their rates to match the tasks they perform. Say you've got a tradesperson called Bob who does bricklaying and also joinery. Set those two labour rates to match Bob's rate. I'm going to demonstrate how to edit the bricklayer's rates. To edit your labour rates, use the Editing Tools button on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on the Editing Tools button and then select Edit Prices from the drop-down menu. The purchase price column will unlock, meaning you can now edit these prices. You'll see that there's a mixture of individuals and gangs within the bricklayer section. You need to look at your individual prices first, so I'm going to start by updating the bricklayer's rate. Click on a resource to highlight it. I'm going to change my bricklayer's hourly rate to £23 an hour. Highlight the purchase price and then type in the price you pay. Next I'm going to update the brickie's mate. I'm going to change that to £13 an hour. Once you've edited the price of the bricklayer and the brickie's mate, you'll then need to do a bit of mental arithmetic and change the prices for all the gangs that make use of them. This doesn't happen automatically. So the bricklayer and mate together will cost £36 an hour. 2 brickies and a mate will cost £59 an hour. And 4 brickies and 2 mates will cost £118. Update all of your labour rates in this way. Once you've finished updating the prices, click Save Edited Changes on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click Yes to the dialog box asking if you want to save the price changes as adjustments. You can add your own labourers into the master price book, for example if you wanted to use a 3-in-1 bricklaying gang. To add a labour resource, use the New Resource button. However, the existing labourers and gangs are already in use in the various specifications. For example, a 2-in-1 gang is the default in the new build specification, so you would need to go into the specifications and swap the gang for each task using a bricklaying gang and update the usage factors. You can also add specialist labourers, for example if you wanted to add a specialist floor tiler or a glazing specialist. Whatever you do, spend a little time checking the labour rates to match what you pay. Once you've done that, you'll have a good base set of data to use in your estimates. This will then enable you to accurately estimate your costs, calculate your profit, set limits when negotiating with clients, and make projections about cash flow and much more. So, go to the library and open up the Labour section of the Master Price Book. Click Editing Tools, then Edit Prices to update your labour rates. Don't forget to click Save Edited Changes to confirm the changes. Over to you.